Okay, it's Tuesday, January 25th. Just wanted to follow up on Tesla. Early on, looked to buy here. This was on the 5-minute chart at the time, two down, two up near the close of yesterday. And at that point, you were targeting the intraday high. And eventually it kind of worked its way up there, and that was an opportunity. You bought it here at about 9:15, and it got up back up to 9:30. So there was 15 points of gain that you either could have taken or scaled out. And if you didn't, just looking at the 15-minute chart, that's kind of the big picture here. You had that neutral opening, and then you kind of were pausing and heading higher, but it couldn't break through that first bar. So that's when you see that, you're expecting that to be hit, and then you want to see maybe just the slightest pause and then continuation. But since it failed, you have to now be, have broken even on that trade if you held on. And if this low still holds on the day, we're just big inside this first bar, you can still look to buy the next 15, two up, and see if maybe the directional move starts later in the day versus what you were hoping was early in the day. Again, the context is you are expecting this reversal from yesterday to continue higher, break above yesterday's high, which was, I think, 933-ish or so. So we're kind of just digesting everything right here. You can just see it's all inside the first bar. So all this stuff, while it looks confusing, is just really digestion at this point, with context still to head higher as long as everything holds up. And it just happens to be an inside price action early on. It's also inside price action just from yesterday in general. So, we might end up with a 1 bar, inside bar today, and then the buy tomorrow would be above that bar, looking to take out, yesterday's high and then move on to the high 2 days ago. So we'll see what happens. But for now, Tesla just kind of stalling here at the open. There was a good little short-term trade, if you want to play it that way, for about 15 points worth of gain. But either way, we just want to see what happens. And as long as this area holds, I'm still anticipating a move higher. Maybe, we're going to get one of those late in the day kind of breakouts after just digesting for a while here in the morning.